Hi guys, I hope everybody's doing well, and of course today we're going to be doing a very simple neutral look that needs no explanation whatsoever. However, I'm going to try to, and of course I'm going in with a concealer wheel number 5, and I'm going in with that brownish shade of concealer just to prime my eyelids. And then next I'm going to be going in with the overall eyeshadow, and this one is the Kiko Milano eyeshadow, and this one is in a number 4, which is a very simple kind of like dark brown eyeshadow look. And I'm just gonna pack it all over my eyelid area, and that will basically be it for the eyes, guys. That is so easy and super fast. And then of course, just to set underneath my brow bone, I'm gonna be going in with the Miss London loose powder, and this one is in a shade Cocoa 1. And then just to give that little bit of a sparkle, to just help that eyeshadow to stand out a little bit more, I'm gonna be going in with that gold eyeshadow from Phoera, and this one is in the number 123 Daisy, which is like an ultra metallic eyeshadow in a gold shade. And I'm just gonna be applying it sort of like where I would normally apply my black gel liner, and in this case I'm just gonna be winging it out. And I kind of like discovered that when I apply this product, basically I just have to spritz a little bit of water or primer spray onto my brush, and it actually goes in very smoothly, and it actually does help that eyeshadow stand out a little bit more than it would have if I just went in with a dry eyeshadow. So it kind of like turns it into a liquid form, and I love it. And then next I'm just going in with my overall very black gel liner from LA Girl, and I'm just gonna be applying it just next to my lash line. And of course I'm gonna just be winging it out just the same way as I did with that gold shade. And then next we're gonna be applying a little bit of like rhinestones on my eyelid, and basically this is the most tedious part, but I guess if you get time for it, why not? So I've just started off by applying lash glue onto my eyelid, and then of course it dries out clear, and then I'm just applying those rhinestones on my eyelid. And of course this one are in a gold shade as well. And then a touch of mascara on my upper lash line, and then I'm gonna apply my falsies off camera, and then I'll be right back. And then next I'm just applying that Phoera metallic gold eyeshadow shade on my lower lash line, just half of my lower lash line, and then the rest of the lash line I'm gonna apply that very black gel liner, and that will be it for the eyes. So now we're just gonna skip onto the face, and yeah, keep watching. So now I'm going in with my all-time foundation primer, and this one is from Smudge. It has a very beautiful fragranced scent, I guess, if that's what I'm trying to say. And then of course I'm gonna apply it with my fingertips, because I feel like sometimes my fingertips work a bit more better than using a tool for it. And then next we're just going to be going into the foundation, and of course the foundation that we're using today is also from Smudge, and this one is a Smudge Flawless Lightweight Full Coverage Foundation, and this one is in a shade called Almond. And I'm just going in with my foundation brush from Morphe. And then next we just gonna go in with the concealer again from Smudge, and this one is the Smudge Perfecting Concealer in Ivory Beige, and this is what we're going to be using to highlight those areas that I want to stand out a little bit more, which is underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, and my Cupid's bow. And now once we are done blending out that concealer, we're going to be going in with the e.l.f. clarifying pressed powder, and this is what we're going to be using to contour. And of course this one is in a shade called Toffee, and I'm just going to be using to contour on the sides of my nose just slightly, and of course on the hollows of my cheeks, and then on the perimeter of my forehead. And basically that would be it for the contour. So I'm just gonna go in with the powder, and the powder that we're going to be using today for setting out those areas that we use the cream to highlight is from Kryolan, and of course this one is in the shade TL5. And yeah, basically I'm actually just gonna apply it just beneath that contour, and just to kind of like chisel my cheekbones a little bit more, because I feel like it's gonna stand out a little bit more. And yeah, and of course underneath my eyes, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my chin area. And of course here, as you can see, I'm just removing the excess powder, and once I'm done with that, I'm going in with the Sunkissed Architect bronze and blush palette, and I'm going in with the shade called bronzer basically, and I'm gonna be bronzing all over my face because I feel like my face is a little bit more flat and I want to create some sort of dimension. And of course for the blush today, we're gonna be going in with the Bobbi brown blush, and this one is in a shade called Pale Pink, and basically we're just gonna be applying it on top of that bronzer because I feel like it darkens it a little bit more, and I like the shade when I combine the two because this Bobbi brown blush is a bit too bright, and yeah, so combining the two actually works. And of course for that highlighter, we're gonna be going in with my favorite highlighter, and this one is an e.l.f. Healthy Glow bronzing powder, and this one is in a shade called Sunkissed, which has a little bit of a gold tint to it, and I'm just gonna apply it on the tip of my nose and just the beginning of the bridge of my nose, a little bit of it on the apples of my cheeks, and that will be it. And lastly for the lips, I'll be going in with the Milani Solid Shine Lip Pencil, and this one is in a shade called Beautiful Bronze. And that's about it, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share, and until next time, bye bye.